Good morning, everybody. My name is Cash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side, and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, I wanted to take a quick look at the 2023 Ioniq 5 SE. This is where the Ioniq starts. Comes pretty standard with a lot of cool features. All your safety options are standard with us. You'll pick up the rear sonar sensors, goes beep, beep, beep on the back for you. And then we have on the interior here dual displays, which are standard. On the car, this is what the steering wheel would look like. Radar-based cruise control is standard on the car as well for you. This is your driver instrumentation cluster, and this will be your nav screen and everything. This will be your climate control layout. You're going to plug on in down there for Apple CarPlay, and then you have two chargers over here as well. If you have any questions on this vehicle or any of the trim levels, please feel free to call or text me directly. 603-858-4511 is my direct cell phone number. Again, my name is Cash, and I work for Rick Case. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.